Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to fix a problem that every mobile gamer hates: high ping and unstable latency. I'm going to show you step by step how to install the Ping Booster Latency module inside Magisk Vexirox. If you're tired of lag spikes ruining your matches in games like PUBG or Call of Duty, or if your connection just feels sluggish, this module is the specific fix you need to stabilize your network. Before we start, go ahead and check the video description right now. I have placed the direct download link for the module there. Make sure you grab that file first. Also, a quick reminder, we are installing this inside the Magisk Vexirox app. You must have the Vexirox platform installed and running on your phone to follow these steps. Let's get into the installation. Open your Magisk Vexirox app. Navigate directly to the Modules section tab. On this screen, look for a small box icon located at the bottom left side. Click on that box. This opens the internal file manager. Locate and select the Ping Booster zip file you downloaded. If this flashes successfully, just restart your phone and you're done. However, many of you might see an error message that says Select Zip File Only. If that happens, don't worry. Here's the fix. Close the app and go to your standard file manager. Find the Ping Booster zip and unzip it right there. You need the extracted folder. Now open Magisk Vexirox again. Skip the Modules section and go to Shell command. Navigate to that unzipped folder. Inside, find the file named install.sh. Select it to force the installation manually. Once it finishes, restart your phone immediately. The tweaks won't apply until you reboot. After the restart, check your ping. It should be much more stable. If this helped, hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.